नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने चैनल विधि जुडिशियल एकेडमी में। एंड नाउ वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टॉपिक ऑफ किडनैपिंग फ्रॉम लॉफुल गार्जियनशिप। इससे पहले हम 2 पार्ट पढ़ चुके हैं। यदि आप पार्ट 3 के वीडियो को आपने डायरेक्टली क्लिक कर दिया है तो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ गो टू द पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 एंड और BNS के भी लेक्चर को अलग से देखिएगा। इस टॉपिक में आई एम गोइंग टू डील विद द एक्सप्लेनेशन को समझाया गया कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द लॉफुल गार्जियन। लॉफुल गार्जियन का मीनिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको समझना चाहिए अच्छे तरीके से। जैसा कि आपने अभी तक के दोनों पार्ट को अच्छी तरह कवर किया होगा, इसी को भी उसी शिद्दत के साथ आपने करना है। तो विद दीज वर्ड्स आई थिंक वी शुड मूव विद द क्लास नाउ। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास। When can we say that taking is complete? When taking is complete? When you can say on what point taking was complete? The offense under this section is complete when the minor is actually taken. है कि नहीं है? See what I am saying this, trying to understand why it is important to understand this. ये क्यों जरूरी है आपके लिए? A minor was taken by you from Delhi to Ghaziabad. Now from Ghaziabad someone else took that child to Haridwar. Then subsequently the minor child was taken to different locations. Now the question is whether what offense has been committed by these fellows, successive accused persons. So question is this, when we say can we say all the accused persons are taking or only the first? The answer is this offense is not a continuing one. समझे? It is not enough कि भाई when until the minors return to his guardian, कि जब तक गार्जियन के पास वापस नहीं आता तब तक आप यही कहते रहेंगे कि he was offense चल रहा था. No, the offense is complete the moment he was first taken away. This is offense 361 is complete when the minor is actually taken. पहली बार में ही. It is not a continuing one offense and subsequent taking will be no kidnapping. Subsequent taking will not amount to kidnapping. कर लेंगे आप? Unsound mind के बारे में. Now we have seen there was what? The taking away or enticing away. He has क्या है? देखो, it is this. Whoever takes or entices any minor or any person of unsound mind. Got it? Now in this category, when can you say that person is of unsound mind? What is the criteria of this? The unsoundness of mind must be because of the natural reasons, and you will get the question from this line. It should not be temporary insanity produced due to alcoholic excess or such other reasons. कि जी क्वेश्चन क्या हुआ कि जी जो पवन साहब हैं वो बारात में गए हुए थे, यार की शादी थी और याराना निभाते निभाते खुद धुत हो गए, दोस्तों ने करा दिया कुछ ऐसा कुछ, है ना, पागल हो गया पूरी तरीके से, ये नागिन डांस और वो नागिन डांस, यहाँ गिर वहाँ गिर, उसके बाद में उसको उठा कर लेके कुछ गुंडे वगैरह. तो नाउ कैन वी से ही वॉज किडनैप्ड? कहेंगे नो, वो किडनैप्ड कहेंगे, सब कहेंगे पागल हो गया था लड़का. बिकॉज ये जो पागलपन है ये टेम्परेरी पागलपन हुआ. दिस इज नॉट फॉर नेचुरल रीजंस. ये आपने एक्सेस एल्कोहल की वजह से हो गया ये. एंड सच काइंड ऑफ अनसाउंडनेस क्रिएटेड बाय alcoholic excess or you can say temporary insanity is not covered under this section. This must be because of some natural reasons. कर लेंगे नहीं कर लेंगे? Now this is next important point in this is what? Knowledge of the person that the person kidnapped is below the statutory age is material or not? Answer is it is immaterial. What I am saying? See, अहमद मियाँ एक लड़की को लेके भगा कर ले गए, समझे. अब जब ये पकड़े गए तो उनका अरे ये 17 ईयर्स की है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. इट मीन्स व्हाट ही सेइंग, he has kidnapped a girl of age 17 years. He has taken away. When he was apprehended, he is saying he was not having knowledge. I thought she must be above 18 years. I was not aware, I was having no knowledge that she is below the statutory age. So whether his defense, his argument is tenable or not, answer is no. The knowledge of the accused that the person kidnapped was below the statutory age is immaterial. Again important for your prelims question. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन मिलेगा आपको, हर लाइन से क्वेश्चन मिलेगा आपको इस तरीके से. Okay, so this is no defense to say. You cannot say, see, when a girl under the age of 18 years is kidnapped, it would be no defense that accused did not know the girl to be under the age, or from her appearance he might have thought that she was of greater age. देखने से बड़ी लग रही थी मुझे तो. You can't say like this. You can't say that from her appearance I thought she be more than age of 18 years. If because you are doing some inherently wrong act, you can't take the plea of mistake of fact here. What you will say? This is the case of mistake of fact. First you will say I was not aware. So 361 says it is not necessary. This is not the wording of this. I again show you 361. Whoever takes or entices any minor or person of unsound mind. It is not written here whoever knowingly take away. Knowledge or intention is not the essential element here. So this, in this case, it would be no defense that accused did not know the girl to be under the age, or from her appearance he thought that she is elder than 18 years. This is not greater than 18 years. This can never, because your knowledge is immaterial. Now, again, the defense that girl was of easy virtues, the defense that girl was of easy virtues would, again this would not be sufficient. You say कि सर लड़की ही ऐसी थी ये तो, you can't take such derogatory defenses in this way. समझ रहे हैं? This is the, so this is also your knowledge is immaterial. The girl, any expression of the character is also immaterial for the purpose of this offense. And again you need to understand the meaning of this, because he takes away or entices the girl out of the keeping of lawful guardianship. Then they have used the word is keeping, and this keeping means within the protection or care of guardian. Keeping doesn't mean कि physically controlled है. Keeping means protection or care of the guardian. It means you have taken the girl from protection or care of the guardian. So when can you say the girl was, the minor was in keeping or not? The answer is the question where he depends, where the minor depends upon him for his or her maintenance, support or sustenance. Maintenance, support or sustenance के लिए, if the minor is dependent upon you, if the minor is dependent upon you for these purposes, she is dependent upon your support, she is dependent upon for her maintenance upon you, then it can be said that she is in your keeping now. See, drafters use every word very carefully, very carefully. Keeping means what? You need to understand again this. Keeping means protection or care of the guardian. ध्यान रखना आप लोग कर लेंगे. So when the minor depends upon for what? Maintenance, support or sustenance, then he is said to be keeping of the person. You will have in mains exam you will have to explain this. आपको mains में explain करना पड़ेगा every word. Keeping का मतलब, what do you mean by the keeping, what do you mean by the taking, what do you mean by the enticing, when can a person said to be taken away, when a person can, when we can say accused enticed the accused, when whether she was taken out of the keeping, then what do you mean by the keeping, ये सारे वर्ड जरूरी हैं इसमें. And on any point, even if a single requirement is not met, accused can be given benefit of doubt, accused will be acquitted. Somewhere you argue on the point of that only taken or enticing. Somewhere you can say the victim was not keeping of anyone, he was orphan. समझे, this can be. So it is no, please be cautious, it is not necessary that minor should be in the physical possession. It is not the matter of physical possession, it is a matter of care, maintenance, sustenance. समझे, it would be sufficient if he is under continuous control, which is for the first time terminated by the act of the accused. तो वर्ड देखो क्या है, अंडर कॉन्टिन्यूस कंट्रोल. यू सी लाइक दिस, यहां समझिए आप, ये इसको समझिए. फिजिकल पोजेशन ऑफ द गार्जियन इज नॉट नेसेसरी. और यहीं से क्वेश्चन आएंगे, भी ध्यान रखना, इन छोटे हर स्लाइड से क्वेश्चन मिलेगा आप लोगों को. अंडर कॉन्टिन्यूस कंट्रोल यही सफिशिएंट है बस. वेदर कॉन्टिन्यूस कंट्रोल था या नहीं था, and this control first time terminated by the act of the accused. When you took away, my control terminated. Otherwise, see, suppose if the boy, if that minor goes into street, the child is going into street, the child goes to the playground or some market or fanfare with or without knowledge. Even in that condition, the child is said to be in the legal keeping, because still the child is under your control. You can't say if you took the child from the school, if you take the child from the this street, you can't say that at that time the boy or the minor was not in your keeping. No, even if he is in street, playground, market, fanfare, it can be said that he is in the keeping of the guardian. बोलो हाँ है ना, प्लीज रेज हैंड अगर बात समझ में आ रही है तो. पूरी कोशिश की मैंने समझाने की आपको. सो वेदर माइनर गोज आउट ऑफ स्ट्रीट, प्ले ग्राउंड, मार्केट, फैनफेयर, स्टिल यू कैन से इन द लीगल कीपिंग ऑफ हर पेरेंट्स. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो, सपोज you have gone to the market without disclosing it to your parents. The minor has gone to watch some movie without informing to the parents. Even in that case, that child is in the keeping of the guardian. समझे नहीं समझे आप? With or without the knowledge of the guardian. It is not necessary कि every time guardian must be knowing that where is my child. So from here you will gather one thing. There can be no kidnapping of a minor who has no guardian. Very important. An orphan cannot be kidnapped because he has no guardian. एक अनाथ व्यक्ति का, एक अनाथ बच्चे का किडनैपिंग नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट का मतलब क्या है? ही मस्ट बी टेकन आउट ऑफ द लीगल लॉफुल कीपिंग. ही मस्ट बी टेकन आउट keeping of lawful guardian. When he has no guardian, then the question of keeping of guardianship didn't arise. One of the condition is not met. One of the condition is not satisfied here. Therefore, orphan cannot be kidnapped, and questions comes from this time. Whether this statement is correct or incorrect. कर लेंगे? See, if a minor abandons his guardian with no intention of returning back. Now, in this case, the minor has abandoned his guardian, no intention of returning back, then she cannot be deemed to be continuing in the keeping of the guardian. If the guardian, if the minor himself or herself has left that guardianship, now there can be no kidnapping. कर लेंगे नहीं कर लेंगे? सो दोस्तों, आप काफ़ी हद तक इस टॉपिक को समझ गए होंगे। एंड अगर ऐसा है, आपको वीडियोस अगर हेल्पफुल लग रही हैं, आपको लग रहा है कि हम आपको कुछ सिखा पा रहे हैं, तो प्लीज़ वीडियोस को शेयर कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयरिंग कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए यूट्यूब पर भी, और हमारा गूगल रिव्यूज़ में जा कर के भी ये काम ज़रूर करना, और रिवाइज करना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलेंगे आप।